Good day, hope you're doing well. This is Ying with Dorbyworks. I want to give you a quick startup guide on our Honda Ruckus. First off, you want to check that the speedometer power's on. It should be at 13 volts. This is your gas. This is your odometer. There's also features in here to record your odometer. To do maintenance, we recommend you do maintenance at 500 intervals and change the oil, which is down here. There's an oil filter screen down here. Also, the oil drain on the opposite side. It's a 17 millimeter socket. On the back side right here is your fill for your gear oil, and the release is in the bottom. This is a 10 millimeter socket. Before starting the bike, if the bike has no gas in this fuel line right here going into the carburetor, you pop the choke, which is right here. It's a manual choke. Pop it up. Right now it has gas, so you would bring it back down. And to start the bike, we recommend you sit on the bike, key on, check voltage, and then this is your start button. So you would tap it once and hold it down. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. With the bike running, you should be charging at 13 to 14 volts consistently. That is the proper voltage for the bike to recharge the battery. On the left here is the Bluetooth audio system. We're already connected to our phone, so the music will come right on. Just go to your music player of choice. Pick a song. You can control the volume from your handset. Or we have a music controller right here, which can lower or raise. You got your reverse, forward, your EQ presets, and you can hear this bad boy jamming out, going 60, 70 miles an hour, hopefully with a helmet on. One very important thing you want to know is before riding, you want to check your tire pressure. The rear tire pressure must be 70 to 75 psi. Because it is a stretch tire. You want to maintain that stretch. The front, we recommend 35 to 40 psi. Another safety factor is checking your hardware periodically by oil changes. So you want to check your banjo bolts for the brakes, which are important. Go over all your hardware, your handlebar system. These are the front wheel bolts. Check your axle. All the hardware has been torqued down and Loctite, but vibration happens. You want to be safe. Check your rear lug nuts. Check your hardware in the exhaust. And you want to check the header bolts that hold your header together. If you hear the exhaust system sounds a little raspy and not the consistent sound, definitely check these often. I hope this helps you and you enjoy this bike. Stay tuned for more details, and if you need to reach us, please email us at dorbyworks@hotmail.com. So, I'll demonstrate a little music here. Yep, Bluetooth. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy and be safe.